Lifarania na yapo ini. Lifarania na yapo ini.
Ndinya anago release ne people, you think people are waiting for that release?
What I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for Gusba to drop something solid.
Ne?
Like, people might not understand, but I want him to drop something solid. Now, if Gusba takes his music video to TV and it get played, udomuva batu banji. When good songs,
yeah,
but when you drop as good songs, TV, what is the music video for good songs, not hit songs. What night at Wimbo, which is a hit, na shoot a music video, we're gonna attract her. Chaka.
Yeah.
Mara, if you know this a good song on the day one what by the if you look at Makads, Matorokis na mean, those were hit songs.
Hit songs, yes, hit songs.
You bring a hit song. You remember when JR, what my Javani? JR, the one now is the businessman. When I Hatakalina Joe, Hatalina, that was a hit song. Squad Camp gave us hit songs. If you drop a hit song, because I can't mention everyone. If you drop a hit song, na shoot a music video on it. If I know what I mean, community, Cyria called the community.
Yeah.
That song, if it was on TV,
you get what I'm saying?
That
one is a hit song.
People was gonna like the bo.
That was a hit song.
That's a hit song.
And Madrumbasi.
Yeah.
DJ Kweyani Madrumbasi.
And a reverse song. If that song had a music video on TV, people was gonna catch. If that song was put on different radios.
I think that song, if it was Makadi's song, it was going to be a national anthem.
Yeah. And then if this girl had got the music video on TV,
yeah,
it was gonna be in.
What video?
No.
Cyria, remember music video wa Madrumbas.
Madrumbas, aka Bo.
Bo. Tanana Bo. Namutapa ngapaka Bo. Tiki Bo. Ana ini DJ what? Cyria. I don't know if this is
TikTok.
True.
I don't know if this is true. Yeah, she should, because the song was also true.
Yeah, she's
I don't know if this is true. The fact I heard that she's dating Fortunate. I don't know if it's true.
I'm a fokoya I tell but nazo utia menino. Nazo utia menino. I think we have been in the music industry to know all this stuff, ne?
But we're not sure.
No, we're not sure because they didn't tell us. But from when we were still kids, and before Chibaruku Charua, so you know what happened. You know what happened. Mara, I was not going to forgive myself. I don't think I've had a show. The one and only. Please, give him the round of applause. Gody GT.
Man, I don't know what went wrong with my ball, man.
Dude, Gody GT is my guy, man.
I've known Gody GT for.
He's my guy.
For so long, man. I'm talking from a Venda Sani.
What if he's doing that to get famous? What?
Okay, I bumped into him a couple of times in the morning.
Guy Venda, you know?
Yeah.
In December.
Yeah.
Tell us.
No, he was okay.
He's a good guy. He's like a normal guy.
He's a. I'm so damn jacket
vest.
Yeah.
He's a normal guy, ne?
He was just a great guy. I'm not gonna say that. Nah, let me not say this. Hey, something happened. Mara, I'm not a controversy guy. I don't want to drag the guy down. but some shit happened. I was there.
Gody GT.
So even though
uri ndine chisolo cha vhukuma
ndine muzimu
ndi chisolo cha vhukuma chila ndichengo cheka zori Gody GT because it's my friend almost everyone on social media. I just want to check ka Instagram uri mndu amtu wa Instagram akuposta in Gody GT. Let me just check.
Gody GT. Remember, I worked with him some years
even
back.
if you follow Gody GT, my guy, I'm telling you. Okay, his last post was music video. Wow, way the 12th the December. Ah, Gody GT sharp, way.
Gody, that guy.
Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. This guy is sharp.
Gody is a great guy, man.
Yeah,
and
he's my guy.
He loves attention. He's a fiber guy.
Yeah.
He talks and like, yo, Nati, what do you mean? Like I've already like I every time I've been around Gody. Yeah, man. It was great. So I don't know what really happened December. I don't know what he
But
ate.
do you think something happened?
I don't know if all or something. I don't know if all or something. I don't know what really happened in December. But nigga was just on his own world, and people started following him on the social medias.
Yeah.
I don't know if he capitalized on it.
Gody GT, man. I'm not laughing because something happened to you. I'm laughing because what you're doing in the street is funny. You get what I'm saying? And if that's your way of getting attention, yeah, do it. You know what I'm saying?
And I'm looking like I'm talking this. This guy is having fun.
Yeah.
Man. So I've known Gody GT before. Man, we've known Gody.
We have known, and I've always known Gody GT out here sharp. He's mentally fit, if I can put it like that. You get what I'm saying?
Look at him now. Now it's January. He's cooled off.
Yeah.
No, you don't even know where he is. He's chilled. Come December, he's coming back.
Gody GT.
Yo, that nigga trended.
Chisore. But I go fira, but then I go fira. Grinda chisore. No one go fira.
Charoba.
No one go. I go fira. Don't want to give like chisore. Apola. I go. I don't move to our bed.
No, that guy is vibey, man.
Yeah. And I think he was marketing his song, but I don't remember. Black is beautiful, or your tate.
I think Black is beautiful. It's a very nice song. It had a lot of people jumping on it on Twitter.
Yo, Gody GT. Yo, that guy. I think if he was on Twitter, he was going to break Twitter that one.
No, he's there.
No, but if his videos were trending on Twitter, it
didn't trend on Twitter, but yeah.
On Facebook, he was trending.
He was supposed to post.
That guy was trending. He was trending.
Shit. But
we're still waiting for that one person. Andori, Gody GT. There's something wrong with Gody GT.
We're having fun one. There's no one.
Gody GT. VW yawe panoni polo yawe. I got zero vibe. I'm sure Odobo be a Josu.
Nah, he's back there. Yeah, he's
back. All driver any food. You
guys. You know what?
Multene, I think he has grown in terms of fans and everything. Hendrick Makuya, I think, yeah.
But there's something I don't want to get into Hendrick Makuya, man.
Yeah.
You get fans. But what is really happening behind the scene? Because I don't know much about his manager.
Yeah.
And all that.
Is Moralzi as the manager or just
someone?
The guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because what I'm praying for is, I always say this when it comes to record deals and what. I'm hoping there's not quite much. Maybe something for future pass a metric. No, I'm saying I'm hoping.
Yeah.
Reason me I'm saying that is because
because the fame doesn't last forever, man.
Fame comes and goes.
Yeah, Venda.
No, everywhere. You can be famous for 3 days.
Oh, which means conclude Dori. Makuya is a rich man.
He is a rich man. At this one I'm Zingano. but that nigga is going big. And with the entertainment, giving him money, and him pushing, and the brand, that guy can be way bigger than what he is now.
Given that they're not using him.
Yeah, man, this shit happens.
Because you know this industry, right? And given that his manager is genuine and pure, and you wanna see him grow.
Everybody says that he's genuine and pure. Come on.
Given that they wanna see the boy grow, and they still want him to finish his school.
And yeah,
Because no, so I think the problem is people think school, you go to school in order for you to get a corporate job. No, school makes you think on your toes, right? You can have a better understanding of things, and your thinking capability grows.
It's like
Even-
what?
yeah.
It's like some people, they never watch Quran.
Yeah.
But they spend time reading books
Yes.
which expand their mind.
The
and their
same
thinking
thing. Yes.
capability.
Yes. You get what I'm saying?
But then if you end up not reading or just sitting,
You know.
it's like somebody who sits as watch Quran,
Yeah.
who analyze everything. That person's brain grows.
Yes. Yes.
Because like they're learning, they're like okay.
Yes.
Mara ndingaita so.
Yeah.
But if you just sit and you like shangoni mataka
You get what I'm saying?
chobe.
Because if we get Hendrick Makuya, abadibulo gani ka Facebook, abadibulo gani ka Twitter, which means manager wawe, he owns everything and angaita anything.
And
You
it
get
doesn't
what I'm
have
saying?
and it doesn't have a bank account.
You get what I'm saying?
Mara just because there's a lot of artists that if we talk about these things,
Yeah.
it become bad. It's crazy.
So bad.
It's like they say it's fucked up.
So bad. I think we need an intervention somewhere, somehow.
No, we need a structure
Yeah.
that will like it get to channel a lot of things for the artists, the creatives, whatever. Come on, because the factory, when you're working, and your friends tells you Mengele are all right, but you don't know anything about Mengele. Come on, hey, Mara, I went to this other restaurant.
Guy, Venda.
I'm not gonna mention names.
I
did have like 2-4 meetings
Yes.
with some of the artists and the manager.
Aninge.
Hey, bangato to improve ko bika. Ha! No la rips na to fonga ngo to batupa chikedzi cha muno. No, let's madzina. Mana zori ngandweka madzina mara.
Madzina.
If you look at your camera and you see my face, just know probably it's you.
It's you.
Yo, mara la
see
zimo. Umwe Pedro loves music too, man. Hey.
Eish.
And the place is so nice.
Venda, there's few places that I actually enjoy to eat there. Obviously, Kabal Villa ni go tsanga Tiginven. Tiginven. Then there's on your right.
No, I know it. It's
Yeah.
It's next to you.
Yes. Kabal Villa, and there's also Monate chicken as well.
Yeah, Monate chicken is
Monate
good.
chicken
Man.
is good as
They even
well.
deliver
man.
tutu.
And where I always make sure that I eat. When I went out, you know, feel hot.
Ndawo ngomba ndo dzina ndiko chauke.
That's the guy.
Ndapula ndito prime tg.
Niko tsapa sikange. Yes.
No, na rekho. Nduri yodzura.
Yes.
Yeneyi,
Yes.
Monate, rekhotso.
Yes.
Ranawas food.
Nice food.
Kabal what?
Yes.
Kabal Villa.
Kabal Villa, yes.
But then there's lodges unena wako bika kanezi.
Niga guy, orphan direction phase. Bro, ningo tanga guy.
Uta minyanya mfethu. Hey, I didn't like the ribs. Uta minyanya. Ma don't you know the name, don't say the name. I don't want to get fucking sued, man.
Zina lava na mbili asone.
Hey. I didn't get side za unandoni yange. Ndo lazima the ribs zinatongo zinjoy.
Zina lava na the royal aslone.
Side za unandoni ngani nge. Watonga ribs zone moroshera chikedzi cha muno. But I'm saying this to guys, you know, man, improve. We come there, and then we enjoy. And one thing I hated again was when I treated the waiter, ngandele bad, man.
Ne?
And the fact you're maybe you're working in a better place, you have a better business or whatever, doesn't mean you really wait and farangari the chikaro. Like that thing is like it's bullshit.
Yeah.
You need to respect the waiter. Like you need to respect when shuma one kana one na kwita one kana business and no one. Because I think the mindset it's a problem. Come on. Like ni wana mtu ako hamba. Hola mtu uko ni jela comes no order one for news cafe. Uko danao. But because of that, it takes time more than the than me.
Hey,
In nature, you can that the way useless ngayo. I'm not saying Zodia news cafe. I'm just giving an example.
Yeah.
Allegedly, an example. No one talk send me work, but you expect to have a better treatment. No one a situation in Rihanna. Not one they don't respect other people.
Yeah.
Wouldn't kabo whatever can service no shuma one kana cause company that way. You have to wait 4 days. Just don't want to pindu. But let's respect one another, guys. What about to roll with him, man?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Hey, streets are talking.
Hey,
This is our first episode.
streets are talking, and look out for many. This we call this episode 0.
Streets are talking. We are
Streets are
on
talking.
0. We're gonna go to 1.
We do this.
Gody GT.
We out.
Love you guys.
Cheers.
We are right.